Okay, it is Saturday, May 5th, 2018, like 7:30 p.m. And my neighbor's Trane just turned on for the first time in 2018, actually. So I figured I'd film it. This is the first time it's been on since, I guess, that day in December when it was 38 degrees outside when they ran it. So, yeah. 2015 XR14 5-ton. So I just figured I'd film it while I was running for the first time. 2018, and you can see the York is also running. And I got a video of the neighbor's American Standard running the other night, but it was really dark. I don't know if I should upload that video or if I should just wait and film it when it's running during the day. But yeah, anyways, I guess that's gonna be about it for this video. And I'll be turning the Guardian on probably tomorrow. New York just shut off. You know, the Trane is really quiet. Almost feel like it's quieter this year than it has been the past several years. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think it's quieter, or is it just me? Anyways, yeah, I guess over and out. Alright, so here's my neighbor's American Standard running. I actually decided that I'm going to combine both of my neighbor's units running for the first time in one video. Well, this isn't the first time it's been on this year, but I mean, I've taken several videos, but it's all like, seems like they always turn on at night, so it's been too dark. So this is the first time that it's like light enough where you can see without using a flashlight. Actually, I just turned the Guardian on. It's a 4-ton from 2012. It was actually on earlier today, but I was eating lunch while it came on, so I didn't want to have to run up to my room and grab my camera and stuff. Anyways, yeah, there's my neighbor's American Standard running. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and go before my neighbor comes out and busts me. Yeah, I guess over and out.